Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. So we have a finish, guys. Yay! This one, we're going to do a post review today. And this one's called Picking Flowers from the Mermaid Cavern. But before we continue, let me just show you very quickly what I used, okay? So I use this beautiful pen, and this one is from Black Wolf Woodworks. So I put my hand, look how pretty that is. Look at all those beautiful colors. I picked this one because I thought they would go. It has like blues, it has pinks, it has a little bit of purple in there. And I was actually using the multi-placer, guys. Yeah. Okay, and the single placer. And then of course I use this other pen. This is from Diamond Art Club, which I love. I love them both. A pair of tweezers. This is when you have you make boo-boos and you need to remove the drill, or if you're gonna do surgery, and I will explain later. And of course I use a pretty placer, and this is what I use to help me pick up the ABs. And this is a Trinket tray. Look how beautiful. It has flowers, and I figure since it's called Picking Flowers and there's lots of flowers in this painting, why not use this beautiful Trinket tray? Okay, and this is from Sparkle Addiction Art, my buddy Angie. Okay, so put all that aside. And then of course I will try to use two trays. I use a small one. And this is from, this is considered an essential Bella tray from Bella Art Diamonds. I absolutely love this one. And of course I love this one. This is also from Yellowdog Designs. Okay, so a big one and a small one. And of course this is in my little trash bin. And this is from my friend Donna from Diamond Art Joy. Yeah, Diamond Art Joy. So as you can see, very, very little trash. Okay, so let's just move these things out of the way. All right, let's go back to this beautiful painting. Is called Picking Flowers from the Mermaid Cavern. Unfortunately, it's no longer available on their website, but they do have other beautiful paintings. The reason is that they don't have this one available is because I actually started this beautiful painting on December 1st of 2023, and I finished it August 1st of 2024, which I think it took me 8 months. But keep in mind, I had started, but I kept putting it aside because I was doing other whips and also doing other events. So I said, I'm going to finally finish this beautiful painting, and I did. Yay! Okay, so the size of this painting is 80.3 by 55 centimeters. And it's 31.6 by 21.65 inches. Okay, it has 60 colors, okay, and including 5 ABs. Wow, that's a lot of ABs, right? Okay, and the canvas on this, it's very soft, and it also has scallop edges and the pinholes, which is nice because it prevents from the painting falling apart from fraying. Okay, and also this is poured glue. And so I did have a little problem with the adhesive. Well, overall, none, to tell you the truth. Nothing popping, no popping drills. I mean, hello guys, since December I've been working on this painting, none. But I did encounter one little piece over here. It's over here, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, actually it's here. It's here where there were like 2 or 3 drills that the canvas, there was like no adhesive there. So I was like, okay, what do I do? Haha, I remembered that I have the Diamond Art Club Diamond painting adhesive. It came in handy, guys, and it worked. Now you have to be careful because when you squeeze it, a lot comes out. So it's better that you pour some like on a piece of paper, and then maybe like my friend suggested a toothpick. Why not, right? And then you wet it and then you dab it, because it works. It comes out white, but then it clears up, okay? Just clears up, so you don't even see the adhesive. I mean, it worked, guys. I was very happy with this. So I definitely, this is like a must, okay? What else? Okay, now let's look at this beautiful painting, right? Now, it's absolutely stunning, guys. I love the moon. Look how big the moon is behind her. Look at that beautiful face. She's so pretty. I love, of course, you got the moon has different shades of pinks, like baby pinks. It has lavender, and of course, you have to see this, the flowers that she's holding. She's holding these beautiful, beautiful bouquet of flowers, and she has these beautiful flowers on her hair. Love her haircut. Look at those striking eyes. Look at those beautiful blue striking eyes. And love the colors on her kimono. I'm just gonna look because it's very big, this painting. Look at the kimono. It has like different kinds. You got a little bit of black. You have different blues in there. See it down here on her dress? Right here. What else? Yeah. And then the symbols. The symbols, no problem. They were easy to read, very clear. The drills are resin, which is nice. I did have, oh wait, let me show you the leftovers very quickly. As you can see, I have plenty of leftovers, lots of leftovers, okay? And these are the 5 ABs over here. And what else? Oh, before we go into the ABs, this painting does have confetti and color blocking. Mostly color blocking, like around the moon, but you still had to change. As you can see, there's 2 different colors in there. Her hair here is color blocking, same color. But the flowers and even down here, the background, it was different kinds of blues. So it was mostly confetti, but especially the flowers. So yeah, which I don't mind because I actually prefer confetti. I find color blocking, like I lose interest. I don't know. I prefer confetti. It keeps me up. Okay, now let's talk about the ABs. Now, the ABs, as you can see, let me just bring them up. Hold on. So we have 5 ABs. I gotta make sure that I get them all. Put them like this so you can see them. Okay. So we have AB 209. Okay, this is a lavender medium. Okay, very pretty. This is 210 AB. This is a lavender light. And then, of course, these are baby pinks. So 818 AB is a lot. I believe this is the light pink. No, this is the baby pink. I'm sorry, baby pink. And 819 is the baby pink light. All right. And then this one is 948 AB. And I did not write down the color, huh? But it's like a beigey color. Okay. Now, let me show you where the ABs are. Most of the ABs are on the moon. So if you see over here, all this back here is ABs, and it's mostly the baby pinks. Okay. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. See that shine right there in the moon? Might need this light a little closer so you can see it. Over here, lots of ABs there, right here in the moon. Okay, and those are the baby pinks. All right. The other place that I had a lot of ABs is on her arm. I don't know if you can see that. Again, on her arm, the baby pinks. Okay. And also on the flower over here. On these purple flowers, you have tons of ABs in there, and these are the lavender. I believe it's the lavender medium and the lavender dark. Look at that. Okay, let me show you the arm. I know. Another place that I found very interesting, and that's where I did surgery, was her face. Now, as you can see, I still left a couple of ABs, but she's so beautiful. Does she really need ABs on her face? I thought not, because the moon is behind her. So she shouldn't really have shine on her face, but I left a couple. But most of her face, guys, and I will try to post a picture in the video so you can see what it looked like with the ABs. It did not look good. most of them were this one, the baby pink and light and the regular baby pink. And so what I did, I just removed them and I just put the regular drills. So I just put regular 818 and 819. And look at the difference, so much better. I was taking pictures of it, so I could, when you take pictures, you can really see, like basically all this here in between her eyes, all this down here, all, it looked like like she had a beard. All this was full of ABs all around here. So I removed them and I just left, as you can see, there's a couple I left scattered. All right, so I'm gonna bring her up so you can see her beautiful face. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I just left a couple of ABs in there because I don't really think that there should be ABs on the face. Well, not that many anyway. Yeah, and so I had a wonderful time finishing this beautiful painting. It's stunning. My friend loves it. Let me just bring it up very quickly so you can see. That's the moon. I love the colors of the moon. Her beautiful little haircut. Those eyes, that face, and the kimono. Oh, and the flowers. It's just stunning, this painting. There goes the bouquet of flowers. And then, of course, she's wearing, actually, I forgot to mention, she's wearing like a blue and purple belt. I don't know if that's a kimono or if that's some kind of dress. Actually, you know what? It's not a kimono. It looks more like a Victorian dress, you see, because of the sleeves. But it's beautiful. Love it. Love the colors in this painting. All right, well, guys, overall, I would say the experience I had with this painting would say I would give it a 5 stars, except for that little problem with the adhesive there. And of course, I did surgery on her face, but that was, you know, that was just me because I wanted to change it. But yeah, I love this painting, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.